Struggling to grab attention on social media? Are your posts falling flat, feeling dull, and getting lost in the scroll? Low engagement rates can be frustrating, especially when you're pouring time and energy into creating content that just doesn't connect. It's time to shake things up. Animated GIFs are your secret weapon to turning ordinary posts into visually captivating content that stops thumbs in their tracks. With custom GIF stickers, you can instantly boost brand storytelling and spark authentic interaction with your audience. They're fun, eye-catching, and designed to move your message, literally. Need compatibility across platforms? No problem. These animations come in versatile formats like MP4, Lottie, and JSON, so you can integrate them seamlessly into your social channels, websites, and more. Even better? These are professional-grade animations, crafted not just to look good, but to perform. They reduce bounce rates, enhance the user experience, and create moments that stick in people's minds. Each design is tailored to match your brand identity, helping build trust, recognition, and a consistent visual voice. And with unlimited revisions, your exact vision comes to life, perfectly and precisely. Using these tools is a breeze. Streamlined creation tools and built-in analytics dashboards let you track engagement and tweak your strategy on the fly, using real insights to guide your next move. So why settle for static content when you can elevate your social media presence with dynamic visuals that truly engage? Click the link in the description to unlock the full potential of animated GIFs and watch your engagement soar.